Negadi, ne ko hnu ni akwan to ya kwa nyang ka aga. Ne wa he ne ko hnu ni agyo ho cha kwe ni yo. Ne wastu lo nu ga na gadi, tan ko ra na gadi. Ko hnu ni akwan to un kwe hun we. Ne se ko ne ya kwa li ho ha we. Ne kwa shi wa se ne ti kwa li hwan da, un kwa ya ne ron se. Tan un kwa wa to we ta. Ne gadi wa akwe hre ne tai de wa da de nu wa ra to we jina de wa de ne skana ne ga ni ko rio kanu ga substance. We want to bring you greetings, Mapuche people. I am Adilu Yadago. I am a member of the Mohawk Nation, Kanyo de Aga, in the Northeast Territory of United States and Canada border. We want to send words of encouragement for you to continue like we have in our traditional teachings. We still hold high the Constitution that was given to us. We hold peace, we have the power of the good mind, and we have strength in our Constitution that we struggle to teach our children. Our women are the ones who choose who our spokespersons are for our communities, for our families. We have 4 original dances as the base of our ceremonial cycles throughout the year. It is our wish to send you a greetings that you not let your original instructions get old on you. Don't forget them. Hold them up high. And love and peace will continue. I realize, just like we do, of your struggles. We think of you as you pray for rain, pray for water. We pray with you. Thank you.